What you see on your screen right now, it's a cable television set-top box. Hi, welcome to our channel all about home electronics. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your cable TV box to a TV using component video cables. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the free subscription button at the bottom right of your video screen. Anytime we publish new tips in the future, you get notified. We're going to begin right after this. The component cable only carries the video, and that is why we'll also be adding the audio cable. Now you're looking at the back of the cable box and the back of the TV. We've lined the connectors up visually as we explain each connection. I've zoomed into the connectors on the back of the cable television set-top box, and here is the cable we'll be using: red, blue, and green. Match the colors starting right to left: red, blue, green. Now we've zoomed into the back of the TV and we see 5 connectors from left to right: green, blue, red, white, red. We're going to hook up the left 3 first, starting with red. With the component video cable properly connected, now we're going to connect the red and white audio cable. We're going to match red to red and white to white. Now we're going to make the audio output connection on the back of the cable TV set-top box. Red to red, white to white. Now take the remote that came with your television and turn on your TV. And then take the remote that came with your cable set-top box and make sure your cable box is turned on. You might see a message like this show up on your TV, and that's okay. What we'll need to do is change the source input on the TV to the component input, which is what we use to connect the cable box. Again, using the remote that came with your TV, locate the source or input button and switch the input on your TV to component. After a brief moment, you should be able to see a picture on your television. You may need to give your cable box a few minutes for it to load up all of its data from your cable television provider, and then to furnish a good high-definition picture to your TV. This wraps up this video on how to connect a cable television set-top box to a TV using component video cables. If this video helped you or you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos, and if not, thanks for watching. Have a great day.